guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm playing Ragdoll. I don't know what is this called, but guys, this is my first ever game in Ragdoll. So look at this place. This is crazy. I just hear a bomb just blowing up, and I'm in the stairs. What is this? Oh. What is, oh my god, look at I walk. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. This is my first ever game and I don't know how to play this, so let's try this to make this a funny game ever and ever. Oh. Okay, let's try it. Oh wait, I can try to like this one. Oh my god, I'm flying. Oh my god, I'm flying to the stairs. Oh my gosh, look at these stairs. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh wow. Oh my god, look at this. This is so tall. That is so tall. Dora, please. Dora. Okay guys, right now I have higher and higher energy. So, oh, Dora! Oh my gosh, Dora! I don't know if I see her in the TikTok. I just know this game in the TikTok as I just for your page. Oh, that bomb! Oh, there's someone put down. Why you put me down? You're bad. No, hi Dora. my voice now. Oh my god, look at this. Wow, look at you. Wait, what is this one? I want to know what is this one. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Look at it. Let's get out of here. Okay, for today's video, I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I'm just having fun playing this game. Who's unicorn team there, please? I'm a unicorn team. Okay, but let's try. Oh, she just drink. Oh my gosh! I just see her drink and she is hot on this whatever. Let's talk to other people. Oh, she is already good. Okay. I push me if I'm ugly. No, you're not ugly. No one people is ugly. Oh, I think I'm lying. Okay. So guys, I knew it that I already posted disconnected, so I already paused it. So let's just go down in this. Whoa! Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh my gosh, OMG. That was my face. Look at my face. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. This is the funniest game I ever played. Oh, what is that red box? So let's go. I want to go. Wait for me. No. Oh, please. Behind. Please. Can I go up? Okay, I don't know where to just go, but let's just go. What is that bomb? Oh my gosh. Work. It's just standing and dancing right there. Look at this game. I love this game. This is so fun. This is my favorite game right now. Okay. What is this? Oh, she just pushed me. I don't know. Click. Oh wow, that's so cool. Can I? Okay. gosh, I just did a half in that. What is this? Oh my gosh, that is so fast. Oh my god. Oh. Ano yun? Oh! Oh my god. This is so cool. I don't have any fun yet, but okay. Oh, what is that over there? Let's go. Okay. I don't know, guys, if that's true. The hacker is back in Roblox, and if you see them, he's going to hack you. Oh my gosh, why there is a bacon and a stack? Because I have bacon before if I don't have any Robux. I am bacon before. So don't bully any of your people because they're the same. Just keep it. Just and we don't have any Robux, and I see over his many Robux. Many outfit. So no. This is just like she is double. I'm hanging out with my friends. Oh my gosh. Just literally click that. Oh. Where is? Okay, let's wait because I just want to go up. And she have excitement with this. You're broken? You're broken hearted? I'm just gonna wait until here. Let's wait. I love this game so much. If I can read the game, I just gonna read this because this is so fun. I have playing this one. So just wait. You want to be friends? Ha 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 ha. Wow. That's bad words. That's bad words. Okay, why is the people saying bad words? Unicorn? I'm a unicorn. Look at my face. Look at my hair. I'm a unicorn. Oh, look at this. This is my friend. Oh my gosh, I'm so tall. Look at how tall I am. Hi, can we be friends? You can add me if you want. Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm going to do in here. Oh my god, I just want to go up in there because I don't know because it's gonna take too long. Oh, star. Oh my gosh, look at this. He's so tall. Do you know the oops guys? I don't know if you know the Roblox. I'm gonna wait. Where is that go? Where is he? I need to wait. Spawn balloon. That's called balloon, but she's box. What? He's balloon, but she's box. Okay, whatever. So I hate bombs that way, but I'm just gonna wait until here with my friends. What's your name? No, don't go. What is your name? I'm gonna read your name. Hassan. Hassan. Shout out sa'yo. Shout out to you. Just you're my friend. Stick with me. Oh. Oh my gosh, my friend. I'm gonna join with you. Maybe that. Bye. Okay. Oh yeah, there you go. I just literally waiting. You can click it. Click. Guys, let's go up here. Oh, this is my friend. Hi, friend. We're going up. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be cool. Oh, look at the balloon. Oh, she falls. Okay, just start. Oh my I'm gonna end in my video, guys, because I'm sad and I'm sick. Don't forget to smash that like button and the subscribe button down